What's up guys, how are you? Today I'll teach you how to create your own customized themes with Qt material. This video is kinda of a sequel of the last one, where we created this multi-themed app that you're seeing now, so I heavily recommend you see the first before this one. That said, let's start. First of all, you need to have Qt materials installed. So if it is already installed, let's continue. Type the command pip show Qt material. Go to the installation path. Localize Qt material. Go to the folder Themes. And here they are, all the default Qt material themes. So let's copy one of these themes. I'll rename it Custom Theme. Open it with an editor. Here you go. Now you just need to change this values in the code to create your own theme. I'd recommend to go on Google and search for an HEX Color picker, and then you just have to change it on the code, fast and easy. You can just change in color per color and play with it to see what each color category changes. I changed the main file code to call the name of my new custom theme in the dark yellow menu option, instead of any of the old ones. Let's test and it works perfectly. And that's how you create your own color themes in Qt using Qt material. There are several other methods which uses other modules, but that's the one I'm showing today. Thank you for watching. If you're having issues, please let me know in the comments so I can try to help you.